Welcome back to Trading Cars. Today we're taking an in-depth look at the all-new 2026 Toyota RV Motorhome, a vehicle that's been making serious waves in the recreational vehicle world. Whether you're planning cross-country adventures or looking to live life on the road full-time, this new offering from Toyota brings reliability, innovation, and comfort together like never before. Let's dive straight into what makes this RV stand out from the rest. Starting with the exterior. The 2026 Toyota RV Motorhome has a sleek, modern look that sets it apart from traditional boxy designs. Toyota has managed to balance aerodynamic efficiency with a bold presence, giving the RV a smooth, rounded front profile. LED daytime running lights and a streamlined roofline that helps improve fuel economy and reduce wind noise on the highway. The body is built using lightweight yet durable composite materials, and the roof features factory-installed solar panels that help power onboard electronics when you're off-grid. The RV sits on an updated chassis that offers better ground clearance, making it capable of handling campgrounds, gravel roads, and even light off-road conditions with confidence. The powered awning, LED exterior lighting, and multiple storage compartments make setting up camp easy and convenient. Step inside, and you'll instantly notice how Toyota has focused on maximizing every inch of interior space without sacrificing comfort. The 2026 Toyota RV features a warm, minimalist design with clean lines, natural textures, and ambient lighting that creates a calming atmosphere. The layout includes a queen-sized bed in the rear, a convertible dining area, a fully equipped kitchenette, and a wet bath. You'll find high-quality finishes throughout: soft-touch surfaces, eco-friendly cabinetry, and stain-resistant upholstery that's perfect for long-term travel. One of the standout features is the new Smart RV Control Hub. This system allows you to monitor and manage power usage, water levels, climate, and lighting through a touchscreen panel or mobile app, making it incredibly user-friendly. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Toyota RV doesn't disappoint. It's powered by a 2.4-liter turbocharged hybrid powertrain, delivering an impressive balance of torque and fuel efficiency. With a combined output of around 260 horsepower, it has more than enough power to cruise comfortably at highway speeds, even when fully loaded. Toyota's CVT transmission has been tuned for smoother shifts and better towing capability, and the vehicle comes equipped with regenerative braking, helping to extend battery life when traveling downhill. Safety is also top tier, thanks to Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0 suite, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane tracing assist, pedestrian detection, and a 360-degree camera system that makes navigating tight spaces a breeze. Now let's talk about pricing. The 2026 Toyota RV Motorhome starts at approximately $115,000 for the base trim, which already includes most standard features. Higher trims with premium interiors, larger battery systems, and expanded solar capacity can reach up to $145,000. Compared to other motorhomes in this class, Toyota offers exceptional value, especially when you consider the advanced tech and long-term reliability. That's it for today's deep dive into the 2026 Toyota RV. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future updates. This is Trading Cars, and we'll catch you on the next drive. Safe travels out there.